Okay, there's another piece that I need that I forgot about. It's a light bulb socket. You can get to it from either side, it really don't matter. It's right here on this side. There's the battery, light bulb socket. Just twist, pull it out. Alright, there it is. And then you just disconnect it. Pull these tabs here on the sides out. Alright, pull them out, and then this whole piece will come out from the electrical connection. All I need is this piece. I don't need the bulb. I just need this piece right here. So if you could look for those, that would be great. I'll show you what the problem is on the other side of the car. On this side, come on out, baby. You really can't see it, but basically the problem is the plastic is cracked. So yeah, plastic is cracked, so basically the bulb won't fit all the way down in, so the bulb's not making contact with the contacts, and so the turn signal doesn't work. So once again, if you could just get these bulbs, they come, right out, and all I need is the whole plastic part, this part and this part. On the other side of the car, what the problem is there's a crack in here, so this piece here that the bulb sits in keeps popping up, and so the turn signal won't work. Any questions, shoot me a text later.